Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into digital marketing, what it is, its main types, and the key sources you can use to succeed. So if you're looking to boost your business online or just curious, stick around, this video is for you. What is digital marketing? So what exactly is digital marketing? Simply put, digital marketing is any marketing that takes place online. It's how brands promote products or services using digital channels like search engines, social media, email, and websites. Unlike traditional marketing, like TV ads or billboards, digital marketing lets you target specific audiences, track results, and make real-time adjustments. And that's a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Types of digital marketing. Now, let's talk about the main types of digital marketing. 1. Search engine optimization (SEO). SEO is about optimizing your website to rank higher in search engines like Google. The goal is to make it easier for people to find you when they're searching for relevant information. SEO includes keyword research, creating high-quality content, and improving website structure. 2. Content marketing. Content marketing focuses on creating and sharing valuable content like blogs, videos, and infographics. The idea here is to provide value to your audience, build trust, and eventually turn them into customers. 3. Social media marketing. Social media marketing uses platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to reach and engage your audience. With social media, you can run ads, build a community, and interact directly with your followers. 4. Pay-per-click advertising (PPC). PPC advertising allows you to place ads on platforms like Google or social media, and you pay only when someone clicks on your ad. It's a way to get quick visibility, especially if you're new or want to promote a special offer. 5. Email marketing. Email marketing is about sending targeted messages directly to people's inboxes. This could be newsletters, updates, or special offers to keep your audience engaged and informed. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with other people or companies who promote your product for a commission. It's a great way to reach new customers through people who already have an established audience. Alright, so those are the main types of digital marketing. Now, let's quickly talk about the sources where you can execute these strategies. Digital marketing sources are basically platforms or tools where you can apply these methods. Here are the major ones. 1. Search engines. Google is the biggest one, helping you with SEO and PPC advertising to reach people actively searching for relevant information. 2. Social media platforms. Sites like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn are perfect for running ads, creating content, and building a loyal following. 3. Email platforms. Services like MailChimp or Constant Contact let you reach your audience directly through email campaigns. 4. Websites and blogs. Your website is a powerful source where you control your content and can apply SEO, host valuable resources, and even run your own affiliate programs. 5. Video platforms. Sites like YouTube are ideal for content marketing, allowing you to create educational or entertaining videos that showcase your expertise. And that's digital marketing in a nutshell. It's all about connecting with people online, building relationships, and ultimately growing your business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on digital marketing. And drop a comment below if you want us to dive deeper into any specific type of digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!